Hello class 5 children. I am Vandana ma'am, your computer teacher. Today I am going to start the chapter 1 Evolution of Computer. Yes children, as you know, chapter 2 I have already explained. Hope you all must have completed the work in your fair copy. Let us start the chapter 1. Yes children, in chapter 1 I will discuss the 4 topics. Early computing devices, second generation of computer, third characteristic of computer, fourth limitation of computer. Today I will explain only the first topic, early computing devices. Yes children, do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculation. So let us see the early computing devices. The need of calculating devices was felt thousands of years ago, and humans always tried to develop devices to make calculation easier. Some of the calculating devices used earlier are discussed now. The first is abacus. Yes children, what is the abacus? It was first calculating device that was developed around 3000 years ago in China. Where it was developed? It was developed in China. It was made of wooden frame with rod, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Here children, see, this is the picture of abacus. This round circle is called the beads, and it was made of wooden frame, and it was divided into the two parts. Upper part is called heaven and the bottom part is called earth. The second is Pascal's calculator or Pascaline. It was first calculator invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It was used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. Yes children, see this picture. This is the person who invented the Pascal calculator, or we also known as Pascaline. So who is he? He is Blaise Pascal. Yes children, see the picture. This is Pascal's calculator. See, this is the picture of Pascaline. Yes children, see this is small circles. These are the wheels. Numbers were displayed on that wheels, and it is also used the gears and dials. Yes children, the next is Leibniz calculator or step reckoner. It was a mechanical device. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes children, now see the picture. Who is he? He is Gottfried W. Leibniz. He is the person who invented the step reckoner. And see, this is the picture of step reckoner. See, this machine was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes children, the fourth one is difference engine and analytical engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical calculating engine called difference engine. Yes children, it was the first mechanical calculating engine. So who invented the first mechanical calculating engine? Charles Babbage, and the machine was called difference engine. In 1833, he invented first mechanical computer that was analytical engine. And after 1822, again in 1833, he invented the first mechanical computer that was analytical engine. It has 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. Yes children, see who is he? He is Charles Babbage. And this is a machine. This machine is called difference engine. It was the first mechanical calculating engine. And this is analytical engine. It was the first mechanical computer and it was designed in 1833. Yes children, can you tell me who is he? Yeah, who is Charles Babbage? Can you tell me? Yes, Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. The next topic is Mark I. Yes children, Mark I was developed by Howard Aiken. It was the first automatic sequence control calculator. It was developed in 1944. Yes children, see this is a picture of Mark I. The next is ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrated and Computer. It consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. And children, it was first electronic computer. So what was the first electronic computer? ENIAC. Yes children, see the picture of ENIAC. This is the picture of ENIAC. The second was ITSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. This computer ran the first graphical computer game called Baby. Children, the next is EDVAC. The full form of EDVAC is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was modern type computer. It was used binary code. Yes children, it was the first computer those used the binary code. The next is UNIVAC I, Universal Automatic Computer I. It was first commercially available computer designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Molecule in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It was used buffer memory. Now children, it was the first computer UNIVAC I. It was used the buffer memory and it was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. See the picture of UNIVAC I. This is a picture. And this is a picture of J.P. Eckert and John Molecule. See the children, see the picture. Yes children, this is enough for today. Today I have explained the topic early computing devices. Now I am giving you some homework. Yes children, I am giving you some jumbled words you have to rewrite. This work you will write in your fair copy. Yes children, very soon I will meet you in my next video. In that video I will discuss the topic generation of computer. Yes children, till then, bye bye.